front of me is ZTE Nubia Flip tool, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and tap on all of your photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here though, you can always select folders. Tap on any photo you wish to attach, tap on folders again, and do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!